back to our channel. So my name is Amanda with Slow Foods Kitchen, and 3 days ago we made Tepache. I'll link the video below in the cards and also below in the description box, which will tell you how to make it. Today we are doing a follow-up. So where's my wooden spoon? She's still
pull out drawers next to the right.
taking out supplies. Wooden spoon. Oh, this is good enough. Oh, here it is. Okay, so first we're gonna taste it. So if you look and see, there's white bubbles, so that's how you know it's fermenting and doing its thing. If it looked like mold, was different colors, smelled bad, that means you didn't put enough sugar in your brew, it couldn't ferment, and you probably shouldn't drink it. So we're gonna taste it. It has a very earthy flavor. You wouldn't think like earthy soda. So it tastes like it's done. So you can pour it right in a glass. I was just outside and I want something refreshing, so I'm gonna have a glass of Tepache, and you just pour it into your jar. And then the rest you want to store in a jar. You could put it in a mason jar, a glass jar, a Tupperware, whatever you have, just to pour out the pineapple rinds. Fill up your jar, and you have freshly made Tepache ready to go whenever you are thirsty. You could leave it on the counter for a little bit longer if you want to have a stronger flavor, or just stick this in the fridge, and you are ready with your homemade pineapple beer. See you in the next video.